Take ordinary to extraordinary. Epson's LabelWorks LW300 is the portable, handheld labeling printer that does more. With 14 fonts, 10 styles, 300 built-in symbols, and more than 75 text frames, you can organize verbally and visually. A variety of sizes provides the right label for any application. Use labels in previously unimagined ways thanks to a wide selection of specialty tapes. At home, on the job, the Epson LW300 features the perfect application for any situation and stores up to 30 files in memory for quick access to your most commonly used labels. Epson LabelWorks LW300. Do more and take ordinary to extraordinary with Epson LabelWorks printers.
The most efficient solution for your professional labeling, filing, and mailing needs, the LabelWriter 450 label printer saves you time and money at the office. Connect a LabelWriter 450 thermal printer to your PC or Mac and you're ready to print labels directly from Microsoft Outlook, Excel, Word, and Google Contacts. Print address labels, file folder labels, name badges, and more without the extra work and hassle of printing sheet labels on a standard desktop printer. Direct thermal printing technology eliminates the cost of ink or toner, and the printer's compact design makes it an easy and attractive addition to any modern workspace. Compatible with Windows 7 or later and Mac OS X v10.8 or later. Microsoft and Windows are either registered trademarks or trademarks of Microsoft Corporation in the United States and/or other countries. Mac and OS X are